What's up, guys? So we're back today on Sad Boy Garage, and we're actually getting back to cars that actually deserve to be worked on. So today what we're going to do is we're going to replace the door speaker on the S2000 because my driver's side is blown, and I have not touched this car in ages. So let's see what's going on in here. Oh yeah, definitely going to clean that up. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, as you can see, powered the car back up. All you hear is audio from this side, right here. This one is completely deaf, you don't hear anything, so it's blown. So what we're gonna do is replace that panel today. I thought it was the driver one, I was wrong, it's actually the passenger one. So we're gonna replace the speaker on that one right now. So let's get to it. So it's pretty easy to pop off the door panel. One bolt down here that holds this down. There is one right up here at the top. They're all hidden behind these. So one here, here. There is one right there in the back of the door panel, and then this upper clip pin has to be popped.
On my neck, she heals my heartbreak, but scars my back. I know that love can wait, been pulled back up from day. Her lips taste something sweet, I can't just fucking leave. I've been through hell and back. She takes me to heaven's clouds. I love the smell of that downstairs, girl, shut your mouth. We both sad as fuck, but no one knows. My rose petals are wilting, dying slow. At least I tried it though. Heads in circles, I'm so expelled.
Alright guys, so we got all this off with. What I was trying to say at the end was remember to pop the switch off for the panel over there, for the switches for the window. Big up to remember that so you don't drag it out. So what we're gonna swap in today is this, a PLG 64. Don't really know what it is, don't really care, just wanted something cheap and quick to fix this with, and this was like 10 bucks, so we'll give it a shot, see what happens. Alright guys, so it looks like the previous owner of my car did take this apart. You can tell by the hack job wiring here, it's almost looking like a 240 again. This is the negative, positive, but they were spliced again, which I don't know why they would do that, considering you can run them through the bottom right here half the time, and they'll plug right into the back of this. So with that being said, I guess I'm gonna have to go grab all my strippers and everything and fix this the right way. Yeah, so now I'm gonna put some electrical tape around the connector itself because I'm gonna actually heat shrink the connection once I get the new speaker on there. So let me just actually get around this, just in case there's any bare wire back there. Shouldn't get wet. It's almost like ghetto heat shrink right here. Alright guys, so it's all secured down right now. So let's go ahead and pop the door panel back on. Don't forget to wire up this real quick. And yeah, we should be done.
She doesn't believe in religion. She doesn't believe in division. She doesn't believe in prison. She only believes in sedition. She been gone her whole life. We get drunk just to feel the vibe. None is the same as it was though. At a young age I learned not to trust hoes. For anybody in fact, I'm so close to crack. Told her to leave me a message but I ain't getting back. I ain't living life, I'm just getting by. Too many nights that I pray I die. Discretion is the rule, depression isn't cool. I second guess the truth, I wasted all my youth on you.
Alright guys, so it's all done. Put the door panel back on and everything. Let's see how it sounds real quick, and then we can be out. Oh yeah, night and day difference. Yeah, big difference. You can actually hear music in this car now. Wow. Yeah, so for 10 bucks, not bad. I'll leave the link below for where I picked those up on Amazon. Yeah, 10 bucks. If you have blown speakers in your S2000, not bad. I did have to bracket that corner though a little bit, so I made it work. I kind of just pulled a zip tie to the top so that upper corner held down, and then the bolt for the other end held it down so it wouldn't, you know, come like this. It stayed like this. So that kind of worked out well. But yeah, these were 6.5 and they were big on AP1, so maybe a 6-inch woofer would probably be the right size, I'm guessing. since 6.5 was too big, so 6 would probably be the right size to fit like directly in there, not poking out or anything. But yeah, that's it, guys. All that worked out well, like I was saying. If you have any questions, and you somehow kind of messed this up, I mean, I did a little bit back there, I didn't put it in the video, but if you have any questions or you're stuck with something, just hit me up. Sad Boy Garage over there, I usually check that, or hit me up on Dope Harmon. That's my main account, so I check that more, but Sad Boy Garage is probably where I'll answer all your questions. It's a lot easier just to go there and answer questions. But yeah, that's it. We're gonna start putting on Andy's flares for the 8.6 this next week, so expect a video like Thursday. Alright, expect a video Thursday, I guess. But till then, peace.